Yeah, already yesterday we have completed like a the practical example with Spring Boot with web application. Web application. So now we are going to see like a how to develop like a Spring Boot with REST application. Spring Boot with REST application. With REST application. So what is the advantage of the REST application? So already REST application is there, REST API is there, like JAX RS API is there for developing like a REST applications. But it is more complexity. Whenever we want to develop the REST application by using JAX RS API, its a complexity is more. Like what is the complexity? We have to follow the API and we need to write the each and everything. So to develop the application, it is somewhat complexity. But Spring provides like a Spring Boot by using Spring with REST applications also, using Spring also we can develop the REST applications. If you use like a Spring Boot with REST, the application development is somewhat more easy. So already we completed like a Spring Boot with web application. But what is the difference between the Spring Boot with web application and Spring Boot with REST application is nothing but a Spring Boot with REST application is web application is comes under to the B2C communication. Like what does it means? The end user uses this application to get some data like a web applications. It means like a web application. But REST application means business to business communication. Like whenever we are calling some service, different service, we are going to get the details. Same thing we are doing even in web services also. I hope you are getting my point. So just note down the things, whatever I am explaining. Once class is over, you just revise the things and you, after class, you have to get at least something. That is important. So that just note down the things. Then only you can get the clarity. Okay, and of course the experienced guys no need to note down anything because already they know well, so that the guys who are learning they have to note down the things. For reviewing the once class is over, you can review easily and you can get the things once again. Okay, and first of all business to business communications also we are using like a web services. In the web services already we know what are the things are available. There are two kind of web services are there, like a SOAP based web services are there, and second one is nothing but a REST based web services is there. So the problem, if you are using like a SOAP based web services, it is communication is completely XML communication only. That means what does it mean? So we are sending like a XML request and as well as we have to get like a XML response only. So we are communicating with the different technology. The service, the web service is developed by the some different technology like a .NET, and my application is my web service is developed by using the Java application. How they are communicating with each other? By using XML communication. XML is the mediator, just like is the it's a common language for the any technology. If you take like a .NET, if you take like a Java, whatever it is, the common technology is XML, of course, so that they communicate with each other. But it doesn't provide the communication with except the XML. We can't send any request in case of like a SOAP based web services. What is the problem in case of SOAP based web services? Only XML communication only. For example, I want to send a different request. What is the request I want to send? Like a JSON request, I want to send it to the different web services. Is it possible by using like a SOAP based web services? Not at all possible, because the reason it accepts only like a XML request only. In order to send like a different kinds of raw data, like for example, it may be like XML data, it may be like a JSON data, it may be like a different string data. Is it possible in order to send like this kind of data? It's not at all possible by using like a SOAP based web services. In this cases, what we are using, REST based web services we are using in web services. but Spring provide more simplification to develop like a REST web services. How it is provided? Spring itself only providing like a REST API, provides like a REST API. So we just need to follow like a REST API which is provided by the Spring. Okay, so same thing, of course we are getting the same thing, but the problem is the API is very easy by using like a REST API, because if you are following like a JAX RS API, then we have to follow the so many classes we have to implement. But whereas like a Spring REST API, it is providing like a, we need not implement any classes also, we need not follow any API also. So that is the advantages with the Spring with REST API. Of course we know the development of the Spring with Spring applications very easy if you are using like a Spring Boot. Am I correct? I think, I hope you are getting my point what I am saying. Already I explained the same thing in the earlier class. So what are the advantages if you use like a Spring Boot? Already we have seen the advantages is nothing but a, first one is nothing but a auto configuration. Okay, second one is nothing but a component scan. And the advantages of the component scan is nothing but a auto discovery is by default enabled. By default enabled. So we need not enable like a auto discovery. Okay, and auto configuration, component scan, and starters also available. Embedded server support is there. Starters are there. What is the advantage of the starters? If you use like a one starter, it automatically downloads the like all the trans2 dependencies of the particular starter. Starter is nothing but a dependency, of course. So but whenever we are using like a particular starter, then what is the advantage of the starter? So it is automatically downloaded the trans2 dependencies also. So by that what we are going to get? We are getting like a no need to maintain any version compatibility jobs. So completely we can escape from that place. We need not to maintain like any trans2 dependencies, version management, all these things we completely avoided. So this is the flexibility is there by using Spring Boot. What is the advantage of the REST based web series Spring by using like a REST API? No need to follow like any API also. That is second advantage. So if you are using like a SOAP based with like a business to consumer applications, so generally we are using like a Spring Boot with web applications. This is for the only B2C communication only. B2B communication means business to business communication. So what is the advantage? So one web services is calling like a one REST service is calling like a another REST service. So to get that, to populate the data, to get the all the details. So I hope you are getting my point. Hopefully you are getting whatever I am explaining. So just note down the things if you are a freshers, because after class is over, you should get some at least something. After whenever you attend any class, after class is over, then you have to at least you should be able to understanding what I said. That is important. So that just note down the things. But whoever experience, no need to write anything. They know already very well, so that they just follow it. Okay.